Okay, let's carry on with our practice. Let's say 4x over 5 plus 7 equals 9. So imagine this. Imagine this is in a bubble here, and then you've got a bubble within a bubble here. Okay. We'll kill off the 7 first. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so inside my mind, I'm going to take away 7 from both sides. So I'm just going to be left with a bubble here. 9 take away 7, that would be 2. Okay. Now I've got a bubble here. So basically kill off the 5. So inside my mind, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. Okay, so 2 times 5 would be 10. Now inside my mind, I'm going to divide both sides by 4 because I've got 4 bags equaling something. So I'm dividing both sides by 4. So that would be x. Take this down, divided by 4. Does 10 divide by 4 neatly? No, it doesn't. Can we simplify? Can we? Is there a number where we can divide top and bottom by the same number? Well, 10's an even number. 4's an even number. I know immediately I can divide top and bottom by 2. Because any even number you can actually divide by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer is 5 over 2. Okay, 5 over 2, which is 2.5. Basically, you got 2.5 Swedes. But leave it as this fraction here. You can leave it as a fraction. Okay, so let's give you this one here. Let's say 2x over 7 minus 8 equals minus 5. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Just remember, every time x times something, it creates a bubble here, and divide here, it creates another bubble here. So basically, you've got a bubble within a bubble. So kill off this 8 first. So inside my mind, I'm going to add 8 to both sides. So this will be, I'm going to be left with a bubble over here. Minus 5 add 8. What's that? 0 here. You start at minus 5 and then you add 8. Well, remember, adding 8 will take you into the positive realm. So what you do, let's go back to 0 first. Add 5. And then add another 3. So minus 5 plus 8 would be 3. Okay. So now let's kill off the 7. So because x is stuck in this bubble here. So kill off the 7, and then we deal with the bubble later on. So alright, inside my mind, I'm going to multiply both sides by 7. So I'm just going to be left with 2x on here. 3 times 7 would be 21. Okay, now I've got 2 bags equaling 21. So I'm going to divide, inside my mind, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So that would be x here. Take the 21 divided by 2. Does 21 divide 2 neatly? No, it doesn't. Is there a number where I can divide top and bottom by the same number? No, there isn't. So just leave it as 21 over 2. Okay, so that's actually 10.5. But just leave it as a fraction. All right. So one final one. Let's say 8x over 5 minus plus it could be anything, plus 10 equals minus 6. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Alright, so here let's just imagine this as being in a bubble. We will deal with the bubble later on. Inside my mind, let's take away 10 from each side. So remember, we're taking away 10 from each side, so that would be 8x over 5 on this side. On this side, we're taking away 10. Well, minus 6, you start at minus 6 and then you take away 10, so you're going in this direction. So it would be minus 16. Minus 16 here. Okay, and then we're inside our mind. We're going to multiply both sides by 5. Okay, let's do this first. So minus 16 times 5. So let's just do 16 times 5 first. 16 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. Okay, it doesn't matter if you don't know this. Okay, I'll always teach you this another time. Now 5 times 1, which is 5, and then you add 3 here, which is 8. So the answer is 80. Okay, and then you look at the minus here. You can see there's only one minus. So the answer is minus 80. All right. So 8x equals 80. Okay. Now we are going to divide both sides by 8. So this would be x, and minus 80 divided by 8. Now let's just look at 80 divided by 8. 80 divided by 8 is it's actually 10. You can see that straight away. So let's just turn it into a 10, and because there's only one minus, so it's a minus. Okay, so our answer is x equals minus 10. Alright.